Hello traders, this is the new video by Flash Trade 1. This video is going to be completely informative because we are going to show you here that using our trend indicator, our support and demand indicator and our volume strength indicator, how we can do scalping, swing trading, positional trading just by changing the time frames. So we'll combine three trading indicators of Flash Trade 1 and we can apply any kind of strategy into the account. So here the M1 and M5 is for scalping, M15, M30 and H1, this is for scalping. M15, M30, H1 is for day trading, or you can say for swing. H4, D1, they are for holding trading, or you can say a positional trading. Our multiple in trend indicator, this is our multiple in one trend indicator, and our this support and demand indicator will give either sell or buy indication based on past moves of the chart, while our volume strength indicator will take the volume analysis from top 20 brokers, banks, liquidity provider and generate either a sell or buy indication. So we are going to use this sell and buy indication in our trading, and we'll do scalping, positional trading, day trading, etc. We'll check here first of all that how trading manually we can do scalping, day trading and positional trading. So first of all, I'm on the GBP USD chart, you can see here, and I'm on the M1 time frame. Just now in M1 time frame, our trend indicator, this is a arrow is our trend indicator, multiple in one trend indicator, and our rectangle type shows the our support and demand indicator. They have recently given a sell indication at 1.353, and you can see that from 353 to 351 GBP USD fallen to 20 pips. We'll see M15. Then you can see in M15 too that at price 352 it has given the sell indication. Again we'll check at 353, at 3527, almost near to 353, a sell indication has been generated. Also check our volume indication. This is for M1, this is the M15, where M1 is showing almost 90% of sell indication, while M5 is showing only 20 to 30% of indication. So we got two kinds of confirmation at M1 and M5 that one should generate the sell signal at 1.353, and it proved right, and any trader can get a 20 pips of profit and they are out in just minutes. So this was about scalping. Now we'll talk about day trading or swing trading, where you can see that a buy signal was generated at 1.3487. you can see over here. I'm going into the M30, where you can see that another signal, or another here also a buy signal is generated at price 1.3493. Here it was at 1.348349. I'm going into H1 time frame, where you can see that again a buy signal was generated at 1.349. So M15, M30 and in H1, and all these three we got a buy indication for GBP USD. Also check M15, M30 and H1 over here. In M15 maximum shows the buy, in M30 maximum shows the buy, In H1 almost 60% shows the buy. So we got 1, 2, 3 and 4 confirmation for buying GBP USD, either for day trading or for swing trading. Now we'll see for holding. I'll move into H4 time frame. I'll erase the marks over here. Now you can see over here that at price 1.312321, this is at 1.3122321, a buy signal is generated over here. Okay, and day 1 you can see from 329 a buy signal was generated. Now as of now you can see that the trend is, our support demand indicator has shown the sell signal with our trend indication and our support indication at 1.359. Check D1 at 1.350, it has also given a sell indication. So as of now at 1.352, if any trader wants to place the sell in GBP USD and if they want to hold their trade, then they will go for sell GBP USD. Also check over here D1 and H4. D1 is also showing the maximum, the sell indication. So we have talked about, we have seen that if anyone is doing the manual trading, then how they will do. But Flash Trade 1 has generated a completely automized strategy where setting the things just one time based on client requirement, trading will be done automatically. It means that if anyone wants to do scalping, then based on M1, M5 and volume trend indicator, the trades will be placed in the account whenever a common indication is given in all the three, in M1, M5 and our volume indication. If a common indication is being shown in M15, M30 and H1, then a trade will be placed either in buy or sell as per the indication shown by our trend indicator, our support demand indicator and our volume indicator. Similarly for positional trading in H4 and D1. Flash Trade 1 manages all types of trading strategies based on any capital, any broker, any leverage or any risk reward chosen by the client. We will do trading in the account based on different capital, different broker, different leverage. All these things will not matter. We can do, or we can apply the same strategy whatever the clients have, or the capital will not matter, the broker will not matter, the leverage will not matter, the risk is not going to matter, the reward is not going to matter. We can use this strategy at any stage, and all these things can be done automized with and this automized strategy is the combination of our trend indicator, our support demand indicator and our volume strength indicator. One can get this automized strategy on Rand and apply the same automization in their account too, or one can go for mirror trading service and we will do account management for you. Ask for the fees to our executive. If anyone wants to join us, then they can get the same automized strategy in discount price as the new year is near. Now let's look at the account which is handled by Flash Trade 1, where we are doing scalping, where we are doing swing trading, where we are doing positional trading, everything. You can see over here that this is the 9th update of the account. We have shown the account for the 9th time, and this account is here. The scalping is being done. You can see over here that only traded with scalping. Holding of 1 to 10 minutes is being done over here, and as of now from 2000 the profit has been made on the account $60,000 in just 5 months. So here the scalping is being done. You can see this. Here we are doing day trading and swing trading, where trades will be open for either 1 day or 2 to 3 days, not more than that. This is the another investor account. This is the account for where we are doing the holding. This was just mistaken, where we are doing holding, and we have made 235% gain in 2 months of time. Here we have made almost 3000% gain in 5 months. Here 270 or 235% gain in 2 months period of time. 2 videos already uploaded, and here the day trading is being done. This is our investor account. We have posted, or anyone can view this account, because we have posted the investor details of this account, because there are majority of the traders who are doing the day trading and swing trading, and very less go for scalping and holding. So investor details of this account is on the screen now. We have also made the videos on the positional and scalping, where profit will remain same. We have shown here over here that one who follows the holding and one who follows the scalping, the profit will remain same, but the requirement of the broker, the type of the account, either VIP account, standard account, micro account, or the type of the account, loss, risk, these things will matter, and they are going to change. I will put the link of all the 4 videos in the description. You can go yourself onto all these 3 videos, and you can verify yourself that how we have done scalping over here, how we have done here the day trading, how we have done here the holding trades. Here the trades are holded for the days, even for the months, and we grab the huge trend profit. Subscribe our channel in order to get such informative and profitable videos notification. These videos we are posting not only to show our work, but also to make our traders more knowledgeable, so that they do not make any mistake in their trading and lose their account completely. Mind well one thing, that big or small profit is not important. What matters is consistent profit, discipline in trading, patience, maintaining your risk reward, along with increasing the accuracy of your work. Hope this video was useful to you. Have a great trading. Goodbye.